recover deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. So if you want to recover deleted WhatsApp messages or chats, then what you need to do is first open up your WhatsApp application, go with the top right and tap on settings. Now once you're on your settings, you need to go with chats, and under chats you will have a chat backup. Make sure that you've backed up your chats. Once you tap on backup, it will start the backup process. Now the next thing you need to do is simply go ahead and exit out of the WhatsApp. And here you need to tap and hold on to that WhatsApp and then go with remove or uninstall. You can go and remove the app. Now keep in mind any messages received after the backup are going to be lost here. But then you can go ahead and open up the App Store or your Play Store, whichever device you're using, and go with your search. And under search, you need to search for WhatsApp, just like so. And you need to go and download the WhatsApp Messenger. Once installed, simply go ahead, open it up, and it's going to prompt you with the setup process. Go ahead and begin it. During setup, you'll be prompted to restore your chat history. Tap on restore, and then it's going to restore your chats from the most recent backup. Once complete, your deleted chats and messages would be visible again. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.